What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink and
what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you guys with this look. As you guys can see in the beginning, I am serving you guys Purple Rain, honey. Okay, so if you guys would like to see how I get this look, please stay tuned. I start by priming my lids with P. Louise base in number 5, and then I'm taking some tape to put in the corners of my eyes so that I can get this look sharp. Okay, sharp enough to cut, yo. So I'm using Juvia's Place Magic palette to create this magic, and I'm starting off with this purple color. I'm just gonna pack that color in my crease, and at first I'm just stamping on the color, but later on I'm gonna go in and blend. Next, I'm going in with the pink in that palette, and I'm just going to stamp it on the outer edge of that purple color. And again, I'm not blending as yet. I'm just going to lay down the colors. And just before I cut my crease, I'm about to go in with that dark blue color just so I can deepen that purple up a bit. So now I'm using my P. Louise number 5 base to cut my crease. And guys, as you see me looking up, I've seen other YouTubers doing this, and I tried it and nothing was happening. And I was like, what the hell? As you guys could see, I kept doing it. Because I'm like, nothing's happening. But I guess I already cut the crease high enough, so when I looked up, nothing was happening because it was already high enough, I guess. You see what I mean? Look at me. This is too funny. Next, I'm going in with that light purple or lilac color. I don't know what you want to call it. But yeah, I'm placing that color all over my lids, and then I'm going to go in with a glitter that's literally the same color, so it might not pick up on camera, but I guess it will look a little bit more sparkly. You'll see what I mean. So I finished the rest of my makeup off camera, and right here I'm just placing the same colors that I put on my crease on my lower lash line. Then I'm adding some highlight to my tear duct, and that basically completes the look. So slow-mos are coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So yeah guys, that completes the look. Let me know if you prefer the first lip color or the second lip color. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.